This video explains how to remove and reinstall the drive nut from an AcroGears Worm Gearbox. To complete this job, you will require a flat blade screwdriver. Firstly, gently remove the top C-clip using the screwdriver. It is easiest to do this using the two cutout sections to leverage the clip up. Next, turn over the gearbox and allow the drive nut to slowly slide out into your hand as shown. To reinstall the drive nut, carefully align the gear keys so it slides back down into place. Once the drive nut is in position, reinstall the C-clip inside the keyed section of the gear as shown using a flat blade screwdriver. Again, using the two cutout sections to help reposition the clip in place as shown. Once the C-clip is in place, turn the gearbox over to ensure the clip and drive nut are locked in successfully. Please be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of any future videos, and click the links in the description below for more information about the products featured. Thank you for watching.